In this video, we want to talk about Nano Dimensions and some exciting news that they had this past week. But before we do that, let's look at the charts. This is the monthly chart, and you can see how price has been range bound for the last 12 to 16 months. And below price, you do have a monthly buy level at $1. And that was formed back in March of 2020. You had this drop in price, basin candles, and then the rally out. Price couldn't quite get to this level, and so this wick on the bottom of this candle signifies that there are definitely buyers waiting for price if and when price declines to this, again, $1 level. Despite the price action being range bound, when I look at current price, I go up into the left. I see a drop in price, a couple of basin candles, and then a drop out. So leg in, basin candles, and leg out. And so this becomes a level where sellers would come in if price was to push higher. Now going down to the weekly chart, it's just a more granular view of this sideways price action. And if you are a support and resistance trader, this was a great opportunity for you to go long near this $2.10 level and to go short near this $3.15 level. Now going down to the daily chart, again, that news coming out this week from Nano Dimensions caused price to gap and go. However, for the week, price sold off as buyers were taking some profits off the table. Now, what you want to pay attention to over the coming days and weeks is this channel. And if you can push and close above, the buyers can push price above this upper portion of the down channel. That would also mean that prices will be closing above all the moving averages. That would be a sign that price wants to move higher, at least in the short term, to get back to this level where in the past that served as a nice shorting opportunity. Now let's get into the news. Nano Dimensions published preliminary second quarter results that came in ahead of Wall Street expectations. The 3D printing specialist also announced it is poised to acquire another player in the additive manufacturing space. Now, preliminary Q2 earnings release, Nano Dimensions reported unaudited revenue of $14.8 million for the period. While the figure came in just slightly above the $14.74 million in sales it posted in Q2 of 2023, it represented an 11% sequential increase from its sales in this year's first quarter. Now, the other news we got was in conjunction with its preliminary Q2 release, Nano Dimensions also announced it is poised to acquire Desktop Metal in an all-cash transition deal valued at as much as $5.50 per share, or $183 million. So that's the news coming out of Nano Dimensions this week. And like I said, what's going to be key is candle closes above this $2.60 level. Let's see what happens over the coming days and weeks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. Like the video.